Oh, this is fogging up so bad. Hey guys, it's my family here, and today I'm going to be doing Bali vlog number 2. And right now it is around 6 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to go take some pictures at our villa. We're going to take some pictures right there. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, we're at a cafe right now. She already ate all her food while mine came out. It's sizzling. Holy shit, that's hot. Oh, how good does this croissant look? It's so good. I need to go back to Europe so bad. I love their chocolate croissants. I have them like every day. Oh my god, I just love Europe. We actually went to a school where literally everyone was staring. We're the new kids in town. Wow. Wow. Follow the Instagram at maiphammy.
Not only is my YouTube artist, a singer, an editor, a photographer, but she's also a model. Ah.
Debatable. Debatable. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go.
Just be careful.
If we fall, at least we can swim. I can't. Oh, oh, adorable.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Really cute. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I hit my fucking foot. We're at, what's it called?
Champuan Ritual.
That place, and we just took some sick pictures and cool discos for VSCO. Oh, so nice. I'm excited to see them. But now we're gonna go to a waterfall because it's so pretty. Once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. We're at another location right now. We're at a waterfall. And no, don't throw it to me. I can't catch. Oh my god. Yeah. I can see it. This is like all to ourselves, I think. This is so beautiful. You gotta submerge your hair.
Alrighty, we are at the waterfall. I am shooting looking like a goddess as per usual. Lovely waterfall.
So it is now 2:30. It's been a while since the last clip, but basically we finished at the waterfall, but right when we finished it started pouring rain, like pouring rain. I'm not even, like, this is the most I've ever been rained on. It literally felt like I was just in a shower. I was fully wet. Talise actually went back to Canggu because her flight is today at I think 10 or something, so she went back to Canggu, and the photographer and I, we just drove to go eat, and I checked out on my Airbnb, and I came into this one because I wanted to be like right in the center of Ubud because I want to just like walk around tonight. This is what it looks like. Nothing special or anything, literally just like a regular hotel room, but the shower is really cool. I'm only booked here for one night because I don't really like to stay in the same place for 2 nights in a row. I might stay here 2 nights, but it really just depends. All right, so the outfit is this white tube top, and this one's from Garage. These pants, just kidding, I haven't shaved. Yeah, okay, are from the Ubud market. This is actually such a cute outfit. Alright, so it's now 5:57 and I was in Starbucks for like an hour and a half or like 2 hours. But like I didn't get any editing done because I was on FaceTime or something. But then my AirPods died. So now I'm at the Watercress Cafe and I'm gonna eat some food. And then after this I'm gonna go get an acai bowl because I fucking love acai bowls. Look at this tiny pickle. How adorable is this? But look at it. It looks so good. I am excited.
The next morning.
Good morning. It is currently 6:28 and I literally passed out at 8 o'clock yesterday without even like the sheets or covers over me. Lights on. I passed out and I didn't wake up. So now we're here. It is currently 6:29 a.m. and I have a like waterfall tour at 7. So I gotta get ready. But my video, I woke up and hit 1 million views today. Like what? How? 1 million views. What the? What? This is my first video to hit 1 million views. Thank you guys so much. Even my voice has changed really grossly. Alright, my tour guide's here, but this is the outfit we got going on. It's this from Zaffle, this is from Garage, and then this is from the market. Right now we're at a coffee plantation, and this is the view. And there's a swing. I want a picture at the swing. It looks like this. So they just drink the coffee out. They just bring and then the coffee out, and I'm gonna try it. This is what the coconut, holy shit, that's a lot of juice. Alright, well, bad for the turtles. Look at my goddamn eyelashes. Anyways, we just finished sliding down the waterfall. It was really fun. And now we're gonna go jumping somewhere. I hope I don't die. I can't swim, so. Holy shit. Let's hope I don't fall. This is where we're gonna be jumping. Oh, there's just a bunch of schoolboys. Oh shit, he's going. Kid did a full squat to get in. Oh, I'm too scared. Oh, what the fuck?
Is it too much to ask for? Can I put my lips on your skin, babe?
That was so much fun. Bro, what? Getting up here is gonna be a pain in the ass. I don't do any physical activity. And they expect me to, bro, I'm gonna die. Like this, what? This looks not even bad on camera, but I swear in real life it is bad. Oh, this place is so pretty. I wish I could swim. This one has 3. Wow. We just took some sick pictures. I'm really excited to show you guys. Follow my Instagram if you guys want to see them. It is so pretty here. Wow. What is this? Like, y'all see this? These are high stairs. These are like more than a foot. Fun fact, I actually tripped and ate shit on those stairs. Like I actually like couldn't lift my foot high enough on one of them and just like face planted. These stairs are killing me. I am so tired. Like so tired. Look at my ugly ass eyelashes. Just walked up the stairs, but here's our food and look at this view. Wow. This is so sick. Literally so unreal. But my hair is so yellow. So we left the waterfall, but now I'm at the fruit market because oh my god, I love fruit so much. So I'm gonna get some rambutan. I just got some rambutan and a mango. I took a fat nap. It's like 7:30 now.
The next morning.
Today I'm gonna be going to New Spanita. I checked out of this Airbnb today, but it's currently almost 7 a.m. and that's when you need to go. So I'm on the way to the port to go to New Spanita. I hope I don't fall in because I cannot swim, as you guys all know. I'm at New Spanita right now, but like I'm such a bad vlogger. I literally napped on the boat ride because I'm so tired. I literally slept like 2 hours last night. Like look how busy this place is. But it'd be so cool to swim there and then get a Holy shit, man. Oh my god.
This is seriously amazing.
I just did a quick outfit change. These shorts from Garage and then this top is from the Market. That dress that I was wearing was actually from Zaffel. But now we're at the Kling Kling Beach, I think, and this is the place that I really, really want to go to. This is so beautiful. I've always wanted to go here. Oh my god. Be out here in Spanita. That's what it looks like. So we just finished the tour, I guess, kind of. There's one more place left, but I'm at a restaurant right now. And the first thing I got is this chicken. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, we ate and then I took another nap in the car. I'm sorry. But now we're at Crystal Bay Beach, I think. Unfortunately, I cannot swim, so I won't really be in the ocean too much. But we'll see. Update, what is on my face? Oh, it's my shadow. How fucking, like, stupid can I be? I fell asleep on the boat again, but now I'm at my hostel. I want to stay in a hostel because, like, they have fast as fuck internet and I need that to edit a video. Oh my god, I look so greasy. Anyways, I have this hostel to myself, which is actually so sick because I only came here because the Wi-Fi is so good and I need to upload videos. But this is what it looks like. I'm glad that I have this hostel by myself because I hate interacting with people. Sounds so bad. So I'm at a place called Buddha Bowl and I just got some salad rolls and they look like this. And I also got a smoothie bowl because I'm literally obsessed with smoothie bowls. But right now I am just on Instagram replying to you guys. Oh, I also got a smoothie bowl. It looks so fucking good. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm still at the hostel, but I'm gonna go check into a villa now because I wanna like just chill out today, probably go to a spa, do something, and I'm gonna go eat food first. So I'm at the crepe place now. It's like around 12 o'clock and I just got this crepe. Eggs and ham, and then there's this salad aside, and then I also got a sweet Nutella one that's coming. If you guys didn't know, I have a huge obsession with crepes. I don't know if you guys know this, but I actually love crepes so much. I've just been chilling. I think I'm gonna go to the pool and then maybe a spa later. I'm not really sure, but oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna do a quick little tour for you guys. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. This is the pool, and then over there's the bath. I'm really excited to get flowers in my bath. And then I really like the sliding doors. Here we have like just the living area. Then there's like a sink and stuff, and then just a table. But here there's like a painting. Oh shit, whoops. And this TV like turns around. There's a desk to work. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work here actually. I think I might stay here 2 nights because really fast Wi-Fi and really nice place. Here we have the mirror. I'm gonna go swimming soon. I look really dark, but on God, I swear I'm not. Here's the bed. And then the bathroom looks like this. Really nice. They have like a bunch of amenities and stuff in here also. And then here we have the outdoor shower, which I really like. So I'm excited. I think I actually might go to Canggu tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it tonight. Okay, these earrings are sometimes so annoying. Like my earring gets stuck in everything. So it's a little bit later now and I'm gonna go eat food because I'm so hungry. I know all I do is eat, but like it's really all I do. Oh, I also love margarita pizzas. If you guys watch my Rome or birthday vlog, you guys would know. So I'm back from eating now. I also had a brownie because my fat ass loves food. Look at this flower bath. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Here's a clip of me attempting not to drown. I'm in the bathroom at Starbucks filming this right now, but okay, that's bad lighting. Let's walk back over here. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's literally the last Bali vlog. If you guys didn't follow my Instagram, you guys were definitely missing out. There are, I think, like 10 pictures up on there of Bali. Oh my gosh, I actually like am in love with the pictures and how they turned out. So please go follow me on there. But yeah, until next time, I'm a bit well, peace? Well, okay.